Welcome to Outlaw Edge. I want to thank Vevor for sponsoring this video. So today, world famous knife maker Gene Shadley's in the house, and he actually brought a bunch of knives. We were, swapping some knives and whatever, and he got this little Vevor, and let me tell you, this machine is badass. I was just messing around with it, showing him how to get it set up and everything. And the model number on this one is the Tig 210A. I believe that's the model number. I don't see any other numbers on this thing. And look how tiny this thing is, and it weighs nothing. And this thing kicks ass. You got your ground, we hooked up all that stuff. You got your gas line. We grabbed some filler rod, and we have straight argon that we're running, and he picked up a regulator and everything for it. So this thing is killer. And it also has the 220, oops, I just unplugged it. The 220 and the 110 capabilities. So, we could just run a regular extension cord. When we first turned it on, we had it at like 210 and popped the breaker, but we got it figured out. So he was saying he's never TIG welded before, and so we came in here and what was this? This was set at 150, and then we turned it down to what, 130?
Yeah.
And then this was 85, I believe. Mm-hmm. And we kept dropping it down, and I think the best is we have it at 65 right now, and it's laying some beautiful beads at 65. So that's where he's at now. And I was just showing him how to put the tips in, and the tungsten, and what's the best diffuser to use and whatever. And we're using this is, I believe, 16th inch filler rod. Got anything you want to say?
Hi.
Hi, that's all you got? Come on.
So far I've only done a couple of welds, and this thing is amazing. I'm used to MIG welding and brazing and soldering and all that sort of stuff, but I'm working on a project that I need to be able to do this. There's going to be a bunch of welding to do, and I'm a happy camper right now.
I'm impressed with this thing. I gotta admit, this thing is really cool. But I've noticed like Vevor's been pumping out some cool stuff, and I was impressed because the size of this welder, they've got them to where they're down to nothing. Even the plasma cutters are like this, and they have plasma cutters this size that you can cut 1/2 inch steel with. The reason I say that is I have one. But thank you, Vevor. So what do you think, though? I mean, you think this will be something that you'll be able to use in your shop and make it work?
Oh, absolutely, especially the versatility of being able to do different materials besides being able to do wonderful welds. It's going to be amazing.
Hell yeah. Well, I want to thank Vevor, and we'll go ahead and get out here. I don't want to embarrass you with your welds right now, but I appreciate you coming over and let me check it out.
Not a problem. Thanks for getting me started. I appreciate it.
Do you want to hit your social media?
Sure. Shadley Knives at hotmail.com. I've got Shadley_knives as an Instagram account, and that's I do stuff on Facebook. Eugene W. Shadley. So.
You guys go check him out. He built some absolutely beautiful knives. Thanks, Gene. Appreciate it, brother.